Large storms with high winds and hail affected a lot of Indiana this summer, and we're out on an inspection after those storms, just checking out what's going on. Already on this roof system at the very far end, we've seen wind that has actually lifted the cap. This is the cap for the parapet wall, lifted the cap and torn it off. We've seen the edge of panels blow up. We've seen damage to the panels from storms. And oftentimes this can result in leaks or other problems on your roof system. But no matter what, anytime a storm has come and affected a roof system, it's very important to have it evaluated. If it's just a piece or two, it may not be worth the claim, it may not be worth turning into your insurance company. But if we start to see widespread catastrophic damage or questions about whether the system's still in a repairable state, then we'll help you through the claim process. If you're curious if your commercial system has been affected by the recent storms, you can set up a complimentary inspection by calling, texting, or visiting our website at equitybuildersroofing.com. As an A+ member of the Better Business Bureau, we want to help you out with your roof.